Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. So in today's tutorial, let's see how can you review your T-Mobile protection 360 degree and is it worth the monthly cost in 2026 or not? Plan cost and tiered pricing breakdown. So the monthly premium depends entirely on your phone's retail value tier, spanning from budget devices up to flagship folding smartphones. So basic pricing scale would be monthly cost range from $7 to $25 per device. Also, flagship and BYOD pricing. The top tier devices like the iPhone Pro Max or Samsung Ultra series and bring your own device that your BYOD setups generally run from $18 to $25 per month. The 2026 premium update. Select premium tiers feature at $1 monthly rate adjustment to offset reduced out of pocket deductibles for hardware incidents. Key perks that move the needle are unlike standard insurance plan platforms, T-Mobile bundles carrier-specific lifecycle upgrades and secondary utility software into the runtime. T-Mobile Jump upgrades included are it allows you to trade in your current device for a new model once 50% of your device payment plan is paid off, with T-Mobile covering the remaining balance. Unlimited screen protector swaps. If you purchase a screen protector from a retail store and it cracks, walk in for a free physical replacement. Bundled security suits. It includes a premium membership to match a free security with identity theft monitoring on up to 10 machines and true key password management. So let's see who is it worth and it for. So it is worth for frequent upgraders. If you use Jump to swap phones every 12 months, the plan pays for itself through trade-in flexibility. Accident-prone users. The shift to unlimited accidental claims and $0 front screen fees provides excellent financial insulation if you crack screens repeatedly. Those needing theft protection. The high theft ceiling, 5 approved claims per year, beats out competitors who cap theft claims at 2 per life cycle. That's all for the video. Thank you for watching. Hope it helped you. Do like, share, comment, and also do hit the subscribe button.